Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about Filament version 4. This version is still currently in beta, so not recommend to use on production apps. Okay, let's go to the documentation first. Okay, let's switch the documentation into version 4 beta. This documentation also notes you that this currently in beta and not stable, so many breaking changes may happen during the release. Okay, so what is Filament? Filament is a servant-driven UI framework for Laravel. It allows you to define user interface entirely in PHP, using structure configuration objects, rather than traditional templating. Built on top of Livewire, Alpine.js, and Tailwind CSS. Filament empowers you to build full-feature interface like admin panels, dashboard, and form-based app, all without writing custom JavaScript or front-end code. Before we install Filament, we need to install Laravel first. So, let's open the terminal. Let's make a new Laravel project by type Laravel new, Filablock. Okay, the name of project is Filablock. Press enter, and the installer will ask you what starter kit you like to install. Okay, select no one. And the installer will install all dependencies for you. The next is, installer will ask you about database will you use for this application. Okay, let's select MySQL. You need to run migration. Okay, select yes. Okay, the database not exists, and the installer will generate the database for you. Okay, let's select yes. Okay, the migration already run. Okay, the next step is you need to install the npm dependencies or no. On first installation, maybe we need to install and run the build command. Okay, so select yes. Okay, wait until the installer install all npm dependencies and run the build process. Okay, all installation process is done. Let's move to the working project or working directory. Okay, type cd or change directory to Filablock. Okay, the next step is open the project with your favorite IDE or code editor. Mine using PHP Storm. Okay, I already opened the project on my PHP Storm. Okay, the project is indexing. Okay, we have opened the project. So, the next step is install the Filament. Okay, nah, to install Filament, go to the installation tab. Okay, this requirement have filled on my machine or on my local development setup. Okay, first, because the Filament is still in beta, so we need to adjust composer config to minimum stability beta. Okay, copy the script or command and paste to the terminal. Okay. Nah, on composer.json should like this. Okay, composer.json, and yeah, we see this minimum stability beta. Next step is install the Filament. Okay, I'm using this console on my PHP Storm. Okay, paste the command and enter. Okay, the installer or Filament installer asks what the name of panel. Okay, maybe we can call admin. Just let admin. Okay, and press enter. Okay, maybe yeah, I have started the repo, so I select no. Okay, we've done for install Filament. what the apps looks like or filaments look like. Okay, open the browser and go to filablog.test. I'm using Heart, and should this URL work? Oh no. I forgot to add the directory to Heartpath. Okay, add this directory to Heartpath, and refresh. Nah, we'll see the page of Laravel. Okay, so because we install filament, or we give the ID of panel admin, so the URL should be /admin. Nah, this is how filament looks at the first. Okay, the next step we will learn about the resource, is the fundamentals of filament. Okay, see you on the next video.